Enter the path revealed to you by the sects. Restrain yourselves in body, mind and speech. Dhammapad 281. If one is well guarded in speech, well restrained in mind, and if one refrains from committing sins physically, he will certainly attain the Noble Eightfold Path realized by the sects. In speech, you are watchful, with mind well restrained, never with the body do unwholesomeness. So should one purify these three common paths, winning to the way made known by the seers. Dhammapad 281. Basanu rakhi manasa sang susangbuta kayanosa kusalang no koriya etetoyo kammapate bisod hoye aradhoye maggo misippo beditang. Dhammapad 281.